Hey everyone, this is Tim. It's a beautiful day in the city and I'm walking around and I'm not in my car, and the reason for that is that my car is being fixed. In the last video, I mentioned my car got vandalized. It was quite ironic as I parked the car in a faraway spot to avoid door dings, and it just so happened to be an area where someone with a little bit of rage took their frustrations out with a shopping cart against the side of my car. So really grateful for all the comments and well wishes that people were sending out. And I know it's just a car, but it was really touching. So thank you so much. And also thank you to Raymond from Align Dent Repairs. He reached out to see what he can do, and I'm happy to say he's fixing it right now. It was a nice affordable solution because the insurance was gonna write it off anyhow, so I didn't want to see a perfectly good car go to waste. So I have a few hours to spend in the city while the car is being fixed, and this nice sunny day reminds me of a trip we took to Barcelona a few years back. I remember the sun, the great food, and the people. So I know we can't travel now, but we can do the next best thing, and that's to find a really nice place serving Spanish tapas or Catalan cuisine. And really grateful for my good friend James and Lois for recommending a place that just so happens to be here. So I can't wait to meet Chef Philip, to have lots of great tapas, lots of pinchos, I think those are open sandwiches, and lots of drinks. So thank you so much for joining, and if you're hungry like I am, let's remedy that. Come on, let's go eat. All right, so I got an amazing table from Philip, and I think before we get started, I think we need a drink first, and I see Spencer here already with the drink. Thank you so much. What is this?
That's a vermouth and soda.
Vermouth and soda.
Yeah, that's like a happy hour drink.
Oh, okay, great.
Special, yeah.
Great.
It's delicious.
All right, thank you. Cheers. Oh, very good. A little bit of vermouth and soda, nice citrus, and a nice olive too. Very good. Hey Philip, how are you?
Very good.
Looking good here. I'm just going to check out the menu to figure out what to order.
All right, sounds good, man.
So just checking out the big board here. Lots of pinchos. Guess those are open-faced sandwiches. Tortilla. Oh, lots of little dishes here. Very nice. So lots of choices and too hard to decide. So Philip and Spencer were nice enough to decide for me. And I think they're just about ready. Oh, Spencer, what is this?
I got the crispy chicken skin for you.
Oh my goodness.
And then a bit of tahini and a bit of citrus and salt. And then this is the house hummus.
This is house hummus?
Yeah, this is house hummus.
Oh, you had me at chicken skin. And I also see Philip working behind the bar, making all the nice pinchos. Lots of meats and fish. I can't wait to give that a try. But before that, I can't wait to dig into the chicken skin. A little bit of lemon or lime. Give that a try. So crispy and crunchy and crackly. Very light. And just a bit bad for you. That makes it taste extra good. Quite thin and crisp. Okay. Very good. All right, and let's try the dip to get the appetite started. And I think we need to put that chicken skin to good use. Very good, very fresh, nice and creamy, really good fresh flavor. Very good. Oh, Philip, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, what is this?
We have here, so starting with the Sierra, we've got a Spanish quince paste and walnuts.
These aren't small.
Small, there's a little gourmet flavor combination.
Oh.
So this one's honeycomb, cream cheese, smoked salmon. So a nice good sockeye smoked salmon.
Oh, thank you so much. So let me show you what we have, as Philip mentioned. So we have the manchego with the squid and some iberico ham, I think. And then this is the ultimate sardine. Lots of caviar in there. And then I think this is honeycomb with smoked salmon and the fish roe. I think this is the traditional. Oh, thank you.
We like to pair, we do like 3-ounce tastings for all of our wine. This one is an Albarino, so it's a Tio Pepe Fino sherry. 500 Guttle Nigori and unfiltered sake, Ferro del Duero,
Yeah.
and Boqueria, so that's the wine you typically have with the jamon serrano.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Cheers. Oh, that's so smooth. Nice and fragrant and dry. So I think Philip mentioned that goes great with the seafood pinchos. So let's give that a try. The ultimate sardine. Oh, that is so fresh and meaty. And the cod liver spread is just fantastic. And the little fish roe gives it a really nice pop. Very good. Definitely not knife and fork, it's hands-on. I think with the octopus and the manchego cheese, that's melting away. I think we better give that a try. Octopus is nice and soft and tender, a little bit of Iberico pork, lots of richness, and then that cheese is nice and oily and rich. Very good. Oh, and that salmon and the salmon roe looks so good. Can't wait to give that a try. Salmon is nice and smoky and fresh and briny, and then the roe gives it a nice pop, and the honeycomb underneath, I'm not sure if you can see, but that kind of cuts the saltiness. Very good. Oh, Spencer, more! So really happy that Spencer brought out some vegetables, and these are the vegetables I'd actually eat. So we've got the asparagus here, and lots of cheese, just the way I like it. And then over here, as Spencer said, these are the cauliflower roasted and soft. I can't wait to give that a try. And these are truffles. All right. A little bit here. I like truffles. And I can't wait to cut into it. Oh, look at that. And definitely a little bit of truffle butter on there. Let's give it a try. Oh, as Spencer says, it's like a vegetarian foie gras. And I agree. Nice and crispy on the outside. It is so tender. Melts in your mouth on the inside like a custard. A little bit of fattiness, really nice. Just, you don't even need to chew it. Really good. A few people commented about eating foie gras. Not the most humane thing to do, but this I can definitely go for. Really appreciative of the vegetarian dishes too. Oh, and I got the best piece, the nice charred piece here. All right, so there's more coming. So this is the Spanish tortilla, the beautiful potatoes cooked in oil and with an omelet with the eggs, and they do it okonomiyaki style. So this is going to be a full meal. We got to try the Spanish tortilla with the fusion style, and I think this is a knife and fork situation. Oh, I think the egg is cooked so well, nice and custardy. Potatoes are nice and soft and tender and velvety. And I think there's a little bit of cheese in there. I saw the cheese pull. And very nice. Bonito flakes are really good. I think normally I don't like mixing the dishes or mixing the cultures or mixing the cuisines, but I think they did a really good job here. Fantastic. Oh, cheers. That was a lot of food, but so easy to finish. So Spencer mentioned he has another dish ready. I can't wait to see what it's like. Come on, let's go check it out. Hi, Spencer. How are you? Oh, what is this?
It's just like chicken we brine it for 3 days.
Oh
And
my
then
goodness.
Then we dry age it so we can keep it nice and moist. When you push it, it's so juicy.
This is a Catalan style chicken.
Then we
Oh.
got the seasonal Brussels sprouts.
So really kind of Spencer for showing me how he cooks the chicken. I can't wait to cut into it. Oh, look at the juice. A little bit of texture, some veggies, some beans, and some Brussels sprouts. Very nice. Ooh, it's got a little bit of heat, but it is so succulent, really flavorful, and lots of juice. Very good. So many dishes here. I think this is the main. Okay, so I'm just going to enjoy finishing up this chicken, and I'll take you back to see what else is next. Cheers. Oh, I've never had a blood orange before, and that's really good. What a nice way to cap off the dinner, but that's not over yet, because Spencer mentioned there's dessert, and I can't wait to see what it is. And the dessert has come, and Spencer mentioned this was a peach cheesecake with fresh peaches in season, and a nice savory crust. Let's give that a try. A little bit of a peach. All right. Oh, what a nice way to cap off an entire meal. Peach are nice and sweet and fresh. And that cheesecake is like a cloud. Not very sweet, it's very creamy and luscious. And that pretzel crust is amazing. A little bit savory and so buttery. Perfect. Very good. So, thank you so much for joining. This is La Boqueria in Vancouver. What a nice way to spend the time while the car is being fixed. Amazing people here with Philip and Spencer, and so many dishes. So I'm really grateful that you can keep me company while, and I can't wait to eat together with people again. So again, hope you're doing well and hope you're eating well. Until we see each other again, stay safe, keep well, God bless. Cheers.